Leadership Agility, Adapting to Evolving Operational Landscape. Yan ang naging tema ng 3-day Battalion Commanders Symposium na dinalahan ng iba't ibang battalion commanders mula sa 5th Infantry Star Division at 7th Infantry Cognitive Division Philippine Army. Nagsilbing subject matter experts symposium ang mga katawan mula sa headquarters ng Philippine Army, Army Support Command, Training and Doctrine Command, Army Signal Regiment at Army General Hospital, kasama ang counterparts mula sa Philippine Air Force at Philippine Navy. Ilan sa mga talakay ang land defense concept, mga bagong weapon system, at signal cybersecurity and information warfare ng Philippine Army. Kalakip din nito ang kalagan ng leadership and moral ng bawat sundalo.
Bago ko natutunan dito yung ating land defense concept natin, yung land power maneuver concept natin. So, yun ang kagandahan nito, yung na-update yung ating mga ground commanders regarding kung ano yung thrust ng higher headquarters, particularly in defense of our country. So with that, ma-adjust kami mga nasa ground, we may be able to adjust sa perceived natin na perceived needs ng organization.
The defense concept. So we are now transitioning to TDO. So this topic gives us the opportunity to know what exactly the role of our respective battalions, just in case that we have to defend our territory from the external aggressors.
Inisa rin sa naturang aktibidad ang mga aspeto ng logistics and sustainment bilang lifeblood ng Army operations. Sa parte naman ng Air Force, tinalakay ang kanilang kakayahan sa pagsuporta sa land operations, gayon din ang psychological aspect ng warfare.
It's a really good program kasi different levels of the leadership ng ating organization, may mga kanya-kanya siyang needs, and with this, na-enhance nga, yung gayang sabi ko, na-enhance yung ating leadership and commandership skill with this kind of program.
The Combat Leaders Enhancement Program, basically, it is an enduring program of the Army that give all the commanders, all the commanders in all level of command the opportunity to be informed, on the current thrust, current policies, and current programs of the Philippine Army.
Samantala, sumabak ang mga face-to-face delegates sa earnest training bilang tugon sa mandato ng Chief of Staff Armed Forces of the Philippines General Romeo Brownell Jr. na paghahanda para sa Comprehensive Archipelagic Defense Concept ng Department of National Defense.
Actually, maganda tong training ng ARNES. May tatlong aspeto. So yung unang aspeto, dahil martial arts ito, napopromote ito yung discipline natin, So nakikita nyo naman kanina yung disiplina. Pangalawa, martial arts din siya. So yung physical fitness, kitang-kita nyo naman, pawis na pawis. So kagandahan, maganda sa katawan. Then yung pangatlo, dahil ito ay Pinoy, talagang mapopromote yung culture ng Pilipino dito sa ARNES na to.
Ngayong araw magtatapos ang Battalion Commander Symposium sa Fort Magsaysay at bitbit ng bawat isang kalahok ang mas pinaigting na kaalaman at kakayahang pamunuan ang operasyon ng kanilang mga unit. Mula dito sa Fort Magsaysay, Palayan City, Nueva Ecija, ako si Jomar Vallejos, ang inyong kaugnay.